Hey guys, Technometro with a video for you guys. Now, if your Apple Watch Ultra or any Apple Watch screen is completely black, just like this, you're going to follow these tips to quickly fix it. So let's get started now. If it is connected to your iPhone, first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Apple Watch app. And from there on, you want to go to accessibility. And under accessibility, you want to see that under voiceover up top here, these two settings are turned off. You want to turn off screen curtain, and then you're going to turn off voiceover. So first thing, turn those two settings off, and then go ahead and click on the buttons here, and it should be working just like that. Now, let's say you did this, or it's not connected to your your iPhone any longer. You want to follow this step, which is locate the crown and the side button here. We're going to press and hold these two buttons until you see the Apple logo appear. So we're going to go ahead and press and hold these two buttons, and you might have to hold it for about 10-15 seconds or until you see the Apple logo appear. So it might be black just like that, and we're going to wait to see the Apple logo appear, and once it appears, we will let go of those two buttons just like that. And after doing that, it should work fine. Now, another tip is that make sure it has enough charge. For Apple Watch to be fully charged, you need to give it at least an hour, sometimes even 2 hours on the charger. If it's completely dead or been dead for a while, and you can go ahead and charge it up, give about 2 hours or so, and then try the same exact method. Make sure those two settings on your iPhone, if it's connected, are turned off, which is basically in the accessibility, which is voiceover is off and screen curtain is off. And then you'll want to try the same thing again. Hold those two buttons for about 15 seconds or until the Apple logo appear. But once the Apple logo appear, we're back in business, and it should work just like it is, and the black screen should be fixed. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Apple Watch and iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.